In order to connect the RAD smart socket, just turn the Bluetooth on the smart socket by scrolling right until you see the Bluetooth menu. Press the middle button to turn it on. Turn on the E-RAD Bluetooth by pressing the smart socket symbol on the main screen. Then you must enter the smart socket serial number and enter the pairing code for the device, which is 1111 by default. Once the E-RAD Blue and the smart socket are connected through Bluetooth, the SS symbol on the screen will turn blue and you're ready to torque. Now every torque value you see on screen will be from the smart socket. Once the two are connected, select Menu, User Config, and then Blue Cal. You would enter in the target torque you would like to calibrate with, which ideally is the torque you are using on that particular application. Then you would perform 2 cycles and the torque values will automatically populate from the smart socket. This process will calibrate the entire range of the tool to the application.